morning. It's currently 9 a.m. I am taking you with me today for a really exciting day. I just finished my morning routine. I mean, part of it. I just did some movement, some meditation, and now I was getting ready for the day, putting my little eye patch on because today I'm filming a lot of content. I'm just gonna do my journaling and then I will start working. I thought it would be super interesting to take you with me today, for you to really see what a day in the life of a full-time UGC creator looks like. I will share my to-do list a bit later during the day, but yeah, I'm super excited. I love this type of video. I love watching this type of video, so I'm super excited to start making these for my channel as well, and I hope you enjoy it. Usually when I'm starting to work every day, the first thing that I do is that I make my to-do list of the day. I literally cannot function without it at this point, so yeah, I just go through all the tasks that I need to get done for the week, and I plan my day depending on what I have to do. Each week looks really different, to be honest. That's the beauty of UGC. I'm always doing different things. Some days I'm filming, some days I'm editing, some days I'm doing admin work, focusing on my social media content. There's so much to do, so many different things. So that's what I really love about this job, is that every day looks different. So yeah, I'm just gonna make my to-do list of the day, answer some emails. I know that this morning I need to focus on scripting some videos, and yeah, then I will just get ready and start creating content. I am gonna get ready, but before that I just wanted to share quickly what I'm gonna do today. I have a pretty intense to-do list that is stressing me, so I wanna get started because I know that as soon as I start filming, the tension goes away. So today I'm filming 2 UGC videos for a brand. It's a supplements brand, and I'm also filming some videos for my social media accounts for my Instagram. I'm starting a new series on Instagram, so I'm gonna be filming some videos for my accounts. I have to film some revisions for a brand. They need me to just film some extra shots of the product. I have a call at 5 p.m. with a potential new student for my academy. And that's pretty much it. Then I'm playing paddle at 6 p.m. So I have a pretty packed day and it's already almost 1 p.m. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna do my hair and do my makeup, and I will show you how it looks like when I start filming, my setup, and pretty much everything I do when I'm filming content. So I'm super excited to take you along with me today. I think it's gonna be really insightful for you to see a bit what it looks like for me to film content, what a typical day in my life looks like, even though not every day looks like this. A lot of days I'm just in front of my computer doing some admin work, but today is gonna be a fun day, so I'm super excited. I'm ready, and I just realized that my microphone is broken. You know, I don't know if you're a content creator or not yet, but just trying to be realistic here, sometimes it's so easy, like everything goes according to plan, and some other days everything goes wrong. And for me, today feels like this kind of day, but I want to be as realistic as I can, as authentic as I can on my channel. So yeah, it happens that your microphone just decides to stop working on a filming day where you need to film literally 10 videos, but it's fine. I'm gonna film without it. It's completely fine. So I'm just checking my scripts on my laptop, and these are the products that I'm creating content for. This is a supplement, omega-3 supplement, and this is like a supplement also for vitality and just to have energy. I don't know, it looks really nice. I really like the packaging. I'm super excited. I want to be always open. I want to share how much I'm making, because the point with my channel is really for you to see what's possible as a UGC creator, to believe that this is also something that you can do. So I'm going to share how much I'm making. Please don't compare yourself. This is just for you to really realize what's possible for you. I've been doing UGC full-time for 3 years, so of course I'm charging way more than when I first started, but today for 2 videos I'm making $1,400. Both videos are for paid ads and they're for 6-month paid usage rights. So of course it's not organic content, that's why it's more expensive. I'm really excited. It's my first time working with this brand, and the scripts are really nice. I really had fun writing them, so I'm going to show you how it looks like. I have everything on my computer. Let me show you actually. I always use Notion. This is my Notion template. Basically, I have the name of the video here, I have the hook, the script, and then the shots that I need to take. And when I start filming, whenever I have a shot, what I do is that I just mark it as done by putting it like that in bold, and I continue throughout the entire script. And so that's the first video, and here is the second video. I was about to start filming my first shot, but I remembered I want to give you a pro tip. Before you start filming, always remember to take off any hair tie, anything that you might have that is maybe grabbing the attention. Also, of course, always remember to never wear any logos on your t-shirt or anything that could really drag too much attention. And also, I always make sure that my hair is okay, that I'm not having any crazy baby hair on the way, because it happened too many times that I filmed an entire UGC video and after 2 hours of filming I realized that I have a huge baby hair sticking up my head. So yeah, I thought I would share that before I start filming. Remember how I was telling you that today everything is going wrong? Well, I've been trying to open this packaging for the past 5 minutes and I don't want to ruin it. I only have one packaging, like I only have one box, so if I fuck it up, there's a big problem. Okay, all good. Let's continue. First video done. Now I'm gonna start filming the second one. I'm thinking to include her in the second video. She always helps to get better performance in my videos. You wanna be in the second video? Okay. Okay, so for this second video I wanna make a really catchy hook where I'm basically spilling coffee everywhere, because the product is a supplement to have more energy in a natural way. So I wanna kind of put coffee as like the enemy here, and I want to introduce the product as a solution for coffee. So the hook is quite tricky, but usually whenever I use hooks like that I can only shoot once and that are really hard to shoot, I get really good results. So let's try it out. Protocol X actually generates energy at the cellular level. We're talking ATP production, foundation. We're talking ATP production, foundational cellular health. We're talking ATP production, foundational cellular health. I'm done. Okay, that took so much longer than I expected. Like, so much longer. Like, pretty much every time I film content. I always think it's gonna take me an hour and it ends up taking 3, but whatever, it's fine. Right now it's 3:30, so it took me 2 hours and a half. But I'm really happy with the content. I actually really like the product. Tastes super good. I just ordered some lunch. Now I'm gonna have a little lunch break and then I will be back at it with the rest of my to-do of the day. You hungry, Stormy? Wow, I'm literally fried. I'm trying to work, but yeah, it's been quite hard to start working again because it took so much of my energy to film those videos. I'm in our office. This is our improvised office. We just moved to this new house, so there is a lot of stuff in the background. We need to move things away and we need to make it nice. But anyways, I'm working on my computer right now. I'm doing some admin tasks because I have my discovery call with Marnie in 10 minutes. So I'm just working, answering emails and planning some social media posts. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. Then I will have my call and I will get then ready for paddle. Okay, I got changed in my paddle outfit. I took off my makeup because there is no way I can do any type of sport with makeup on. I always admire girls that go to Pilates or to the gym with makeup. I could never. I wish I could. I respect you girls. Anyways, I'm so excited. I love my outfit. It's new. I will take you guys with me to paddle. I just came back from paddle. I'm feeling so drained, so tired, but so good. I had such a good day. I'm going to take a quick shower, do my skincare routine, have some dinner, and that's pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you enjoy this type of content, this format. I really enjoyed creating it, so let me know in the comments if you would like me to make more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.